Everything is come and gone, and tomorrow may never be the same. What goes around come back again. Yeah, who is to blame? Love that you feel inside when your heart is break. Can't take the pain no more. Just gotta fade away. Run away like a runaway train. Never come back again. Your love was broke my heart, yeah. Caused me so much pain. Fade away, fade away. It's gone like yesterday. Fade away, fade away. It's gone like yesterday. Your love is all gone away. Nothing that I left feel inside. No more love, my tears I can cry. Cause I let your love flow aside. If we fade away. Fade away, fade away. It like yesterday. Fade away, fade away. Your love I fade away. Yesterday, like yesterday. Nothing more I can say to you. Cause my life has been changed. I love the way I be, yeah, the way I rearrange. Cannot try to pull me down, boy, I'm rising up. Getting to the top, I know I was about. Fade away, fade away, fade away, yeah. Fade away like yesterday, yeah, I won't. Fade away, fade away, fade away like yesterday. Fade away, fade away. Fade away like yesterday. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Fade away. Da 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 da. Pants will fall down though. And I cut the elastic in the waist because the elastic is too tight. Then I cut the elastic, now it's falling down. I cut it too much. But does everything fade away? You smell of one darling. The burn them heal up now. The burn from my stomach heal up now. Left this nasty spot, so now I gotta remove it. I'm gonna start creaming it and take it off. I ain't cream it yet. And it will go, but I eat a beautiful ones. My little overnight food left. I'm gonna warm it up. Can't eat that. Really can't eat that. My stomach not good for my body. I can't get nothing out of that but consumption, you know. I try to eat the salty, wetty, and steel. Coming like some steel girl. You know what I mean? So what's going on, man? Whole life, what's going on? Talk to me. You know, sometimes life, if you don't have God, your life can be very difficult. I know. I know I'm addicted to eating, I know that. You ain't gotta tell me. No, but that's all for $1.99. 99 cents for one for the drink, walk over there. Waste money to buy 2 plates of food, because that's $7 gone on the drain. Come in and eat the next one. One time I used to eat bad, I used to get up on 1 pint, but I can't do it again. But I get used to. They wash them. Body get used to the ripe banana or apple, something live, you know. Need something live in the body. Can't eat all day, you have to have something live in the body. This is actually alive, no? So I put it in. Not bad at all. But before I go back over there tonight, like when I have a mango bush. When I back home, we got mango bush at Jamaica. We got mango bush. Yeah, man, mango bush. So we got mango bush, man. When you look, all kind of mango, you know. Just under the tree like for stone dog. We call it for stone dog. Because the amount of mango just lying there. Mango on top of mango. I make sure I get enough full-time mango crop this year. I used to always eat mango. I used to food on it like my full on foods no more. When I get to understand more of these things, it's better for my body. And that's why I was feeling so good in Jamaica. I eat a lot of them. Well, I notice a lot of people, right? They don't wanna oh, this thing looks so far back. I swear I've been listening to through my iPod or everything. Somebody's stalking me, taking picture of me while I'm in here listening to me on my blouse. I'm gonna wash and dry my hand with still wet, wipe off my hand with it. Enough mango to that mango bush, man. Yeah, enough mango to that mango bush. Yeah, I love it too. I'm a psyche, I could read a man. A man, blacky mango, stringy mango, bambia mango, sweetie mango, stringy mango. All kind of mango. When is your mango time? Mango them sweet, me tell you. This barely sweet. Compared to them, the mango, them nose around. Damn, some mango seem to be nose around over here, shit. Sweeter than them, man. A lot of people have a habit. And the habit is when I look at a girl, I take her make ear, my dolly ear. I suck ear when I come, I say 2 ear, I make 2 eye, right? So 1 eye in the body. A lot of people have a habit of drinking water from the pipe. This one girl I drink a lot of water from the pipe at the sink and like eat to her kids them, right? And I said to her, I said, why are you doing that? And she said to me, say, the water is clean. The water is very clean from the pipe inside the kitchen. You can take it and give the kids. And she drink that. And I tell her, I said, no man, I do that man. You better get like a spring water. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? At least be a little bit cleaner. You know? If it's real spring water, because someone will give you fake spring water in a bottle. And she like, no, this water clean and all in the water there. Well, I'm going to tell you something. It's impossible. That's why y'all get more cancer. A lot more stuff happen to us. All kind of something happen to you when you drink that water. I don't care how clean it is, when I drink no tap water. Number one, where tap water is coming from? Do you know? Do you know where the tap water is coming from? Or you think it's coming straight off of some kind of spring, like a Jamaica you're there? Or some island and they pumping straight through the pipe? No. That's not how it works. Ever since I was going to school and I was a young child, my principal, he was a gay man. Nice gentleman. One time he whipped me real hard, but it wasn't me. Was calling him name was some other kids in the class, and I laughed about the joke I was making. Because they say if he go in the water, he's going to sink. Because him, you know, using back part for do him do. And I shouldn't have laughed, and I got he flagged me, you know. But You know, he was the kind of person like, very strict, very dressing, but he teach you a lot. And one thing he teach me that, he said in New York, you know, the water is that you use is the same water that comes out your toilet. And I said, nah, that couldn't be true. But then I do some research and I realized the water that coming through the tap that you're drinking is the same water that you flush down the toilet when you do. It's the same water that wash down your sink when you wash your plate, your dishes, and whatever. It's the same water that they clean people with from the hospital, whatever body them wash off the body, the dead body them. Whatever the water go down the drain from all the hospital, from whatever they use the water for, from every household, from every toilet, it had to go down a certain tunnel. And when it got onto a certain tunnel with all the feces and everything, you have a machine who scoop out all the feces and set it aside, scoop out all toilet paper and whatever, set it aside. And that water will be going back to a part, a different place where a machine will purify that water. In 2 hours, that water will be back in your pipe, back in your tub where you're taking a shower with. All right? So when you're drinking that water, it's more detrimental to your health. Because that water been on the toilet, been to mix up with everybody's feces, not just your feces at this point, but the whole city feces. And that water will be purified with everybody's feces go through it. Millions of piece shit. And that water will be purified and come right back through the shower and through the pipe in the kitchen. You understand me? So now again, if I go boil soup, if I use spring water for boil my soup. So, because when I make tea, spring water must make my tea. That made me miss Jamaica even more. Now, after all that feces go and take out the water back and compress the feces, get all the water out, send that water back to purify. They take the feces and they put into a machine and they dry it. A whole big machine of shit that press out the air to the shit and then they dry it. After it dry, they send it to another, then put it through certain thing, make it dry, and then I chuck out and load up it, full up it, whole by human shit, and go dump it to certain place where they package it. Now, most people who are planting strawberries and, you know, tomatoes and all that stuff locally or marketing, or some people have them greenhouse, that the same shit that you shit out that they're using because it make it grow faster, it make it grow big and make them sweet. They make them use the same feces that we all passed it out, that squeeze out of the same water that come back in the pipe, and that goes back in to breed more fruits, fertilize it, and we eat and we shit and it goes back. So everything is in a circle. Goes around and comes around, goes around and comes around, you know. So when you're drinking water from the tap and saying it's clean, it's not like it's might clean enough, you can't get certain germs, probably not, but some people drink it, get very sick, you get lead, you get overweight, you get very sick, you all kind of heart disease because you're drinking tap water. This is a water been strained out, all the feces, chemical been replacing it to purify it, it been through so much machine and ups and down, it become a different substance of water at this point. All right? So you're drinking that is full up with all kind of chemical and lead and different things, and that is what's going to destroy you when you drink it. Sounds pretty nasty, but that's what it is. So my principal was teaching medicine in school, and I was like, I can't believe it, but it's true. So much of people, that's how the city works. Whatever you flush down the toilet, out of the drain, it end up right there. And you can actually see the machine taking them back out. No matter where you live, what house you live in, they all end up the same place. So when you actually go to the bathroom and take a number 2, it's benefiting them because they're making money to make the fertilizer. And you buy the fertilizer, take it and grow fruit and plants where you eat back and you fertilize back out again. I definitely think drinking tap water is bad for you. It's bad to give your kids. Simple fact, this water been into it, go through everything in millions of people, everything in one, pads, blood, whatever, strain it out, purify it, and you come back around and you're going to take a glass and drink it. I think that's crazy. At that time, it's not even water anymore, you know? It's a different substance. They just call it water. It's a different substance. You know? That's just how it goes. So, whenever they take a glass of tap water, remember where it's coming from. Alright? Remember, it's been through trillions and millions of everybody that live here. Pee-pee, doo-doo, ark and spit, coal, rotten sores and pus washed down with water and dump. Everything been go through. And then it been purified and come back around. 2 hours later, it's back in the stream again. So, about 2 hours. So as it go through, and you're going to purify coming back, and you let it out, it's coming back, and it's just coming back. Oh yeah. You know? That's why people must respect the island. Jamaica is a beautiful island. And anybody want to live here, first of all, when you're getting water, you're not getting any water that's been around and purifying anything out. You're getting clean water that's coming from godly earth. You're getting clean water that's coming from the spring itself. Pure, crystal clean water you can drink. You can cook. And that is a great thing, because water here can be a very thing that plague on your health. That's why you wrinkle up your skin get different so fast, because, you know, you go out and you bathe with this water every day, you know. Some people drink it every day, you know what I mean? When you get pure water in your body that coming from a rock from Jamaica, that make you live long. And that's why I know I have to find some way to make it back. At least I'm going to try to eat the fruits, them. Hopefully this will give me some of the water through my body if I dehydrate my body. I'm not nasty for back my hand. Yeah. So I have the wet blouse they put on. Lord. Yeah, so walk over here, man. Walk over there. And if I walk over there, go buy a mango. Which I'm gonna get a ride. Sweet, man. Yeah. That's how it is, my dear child. Yes, in Jamaica is really nice, man. Get fresh water. You can go to the river, go bathe. Take off your clothes. And just go to the water and bathe. Pure crystal water come out the rock. Pure clean water coming on this river stream. You gain up your health and everything when you restart and come out so. You know? So a lot of people come in and never went back and start drinking the water out of the pipe and all kind of thing, and brain set you. So they want we are stuck. But I'm telling you, Jamaica nice. And every West Indies is nice. We have your own like a spring and your own like a river and thing. Thank God for it. It's a blessing to y'all. I want y'all to know that because water is a staff of life. Water and God are two things you can't do without. Water and God. You can't live without fire. Trust me. Because you can't live off the land. God give you food, fruits and something. And God don't make it without fire. But you say water and God are two things you can't do without. Water and God are two things you really can't do without. And when you have crystal clear water dripping out of a rock, where you can drink, it's not just drink to quench your thirst. But when you drink, pray over that water, and when you drink that water, all the sickness from your body ease. Sickness in your body left. God has a pure water that coming from God himself. That's why most people go to a spring and bath and drink the water where sickness left them body. And some people kill themselves to being abroad. And the water they're drinking from the tap water, if they know what's been around and come around so many times, it becomes something different from water. And they look at it as water and still drinking it as water. But when you have a fresh water coming from the spring, like Jamaica, are the best thing that you can really have. Best thing you can really have, trust me. You know what I mean? That's the best thing you can have. You have that to drink your fresh water ready, you cook your little food, you plant a little callaloo. You thank God you live in paradise. You have a little clean place where you can lay down, sleep, a little house. That's paradise, and that me want. That me love forget. And I run go, think I get the money and run go Hollywood, go sit down, I go straight back home. It's good, you can have a little garden and the back, it's not so ripe as the other one them. No? I'm telling you. That's the life. You know what I mean? Good life. Make a pot of red pea soup. You know? You kill one fowl when you're ready. You cook up a sitting them. You have enough coconut, enough gravy, enough provision, enough salt mackerel, enough salt fish and all them things, the ackee, enough susumba. You catch fresh water from the spring. And you have a comfortable little place called a comfortable bed and so on. And you pray to God. Trust me, that's a life to live. When you have a comfortable little place, you can find food, you little thing alright, you're good. And you can go in your backyard or go on your ground and plant food and take it out of the earth. Where you plant upon your land you're there. That is paradise. And you can go right down a corner of the spring, the sun catch some water. You got everything in heaven. You're in paradise. You can get fresh fruits from the tree. You're in paradise. Someone who don't feel good at Jamaica about to sell in our country. Someone don't feel bad and kill themselves to come to America for all the fresh organic food. I don't know, so no come enough go spend much money for mango. Look, I'm lucky to get me for $1. I'm lucky to get me for $1. Trust me. Just sweet, man. So, Jamaica paradise. You have all this thing given unto you, and you don't see it because I don't want name brand clothes. I don't want the biggest thing. And that's how you go. If you're in the country, you have a little land, you have your little house, go ahead, plant up a little food them and start reap a little food them. Alright? You want to hang out spot, you can hang out and sell little food. You build one out of bamboo and thick. Get stick. Get bamboo, get coconut leaf or whatever, and weave them through. Make your little spot them and design by yourself without all for money. Get a chop all inch over the top where you want, put it down to the side. And fix it away how you set it so when rain fall, no water can come in there. If you want cement up the bottom and the side come up until you can't afford to fill it, you do so. You understand me? You cement the bottom, bring it up fast and water can't come in. And they install the bamboo, them come up for now. And stick, and put zinc pan if you want. Right? And then you put the coconut leaf over the zinc. And touch it down to the side and come down. So it look like style, like no zinc on the pan top. So if rain fall, you can't get wet. You make a little stool out of wood. You make a little sit in a bamboo walk look nice. You cook a little food them and you start to sell them. Remember a little setback, but everything soon pick up soon in the name of Jesus. You see? And so on. For wipe off my hand always. I mean, it was. Excuse me for that. Yeah, because me hand full of the my nose around. Stop killing out on yourself and thank God. Someone who have nice houses on them parents go now. Big house on the parents, they are foreign, even come back if you know. And then come down once in a while. And when still a worry about for come out foreign. Comfortable in the house you don't have down there. No rain now come in and rain and fall, the nicest thing for your pan top of zinc. Comfortable yourself, you have a little home and something and relax yourself. Cook your little food, plant your little field, pray to God. You are in paradise when you're in Jamaica. If you take life serious. And if you're in the country, in more paradise than the one are in town. I don't know how it is now because a long time I left. Oh God, a big piece of the mango fucks up on the skin, man. Watch out. I say, well, lipstick must go. So I buy mango again. And the first time I buy it. I think at the second place I buy it. If I go back there. Yeah, you know, Jamaica paradise. You have a little house. You can plant a field, you don't want nothing more. Plant your field. Cook your food. Live off of the earth. You want to run to hospital every minute. Make your coconut water. Make it with the soursop juice. Cut your coconut juice and soursop. Mix them together, you drink. Use apple and coconut water. And all them things there. They have mint for flavor your juice. I'll dry the mint. Flavor the coconut water. You can do so much things. Tea and juice. And we have ackee. Ackee time come, ackee they all about. Enough callaloo. Enough cabbage. And a lot more. Coconut, you see that country restaurant dog. Coconut pumpkin soup sweet. Carrot porridge sweet. I think I'm the first person to make carrot porridge. I nowadays I come and hear about carrot porridge. I was like, carrot porridge? Nowadays I still hear about carrot porridge. I was like, whoa, when I was young I used to make carrot porridge. I only come about it one time. I have sugar. I made of sunflower, I think. And that's all I made of for feed we. And I decided to we have so much carrot, because the carrot them grow so much down the back. So much. My mother plant all them things, they grow enough down there. So I decided to go and grate some carrot and put it on the fire. So I grate some carrot and put it on the fire, make the carrot boil up. And then I grease the coconut juice and mix the flour and I add it to the carrot to thicken it on the fire. And it boil nice and I sweeten it. Big pot of carrot porridge. Everybody drink and got full and belch. I'm telling you. When I eat and belch, when I can get fresh mango, I can get fresh mango. Sweet. Yeah, yes. My goodness, yes. I love it too. Mango sweet, man. It's sweet. I know. I know it's destroyed. I love it too. I love each and every one. It's destroyed, goody. No, them things that then cut me off. I'm going to sit down here by my fucking self and not talk. I'm going to go mad in this ras. Not a mama ras, no big mama ras, no. You like the way I suck it, right? You nasty motherfucker, you. Yes, I respect, you know. I forgot to go back. I never plan to go back over there so soon, but.